I'm back with dirty hair and dirty clothes. Welcome to this week's video. Last week you saw all of that. This week I bought some stuff for my kitchen. I am not in focus. I bought some stuff for my kitchen. And why not just fix it a little? This project will take days. Yeah. So, just look at this before. And don't come for me. I know I am disgusting. Just look. Dum da da dum da 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 da. I know. So we are going to clean. It's a theme with all of my videos. We're gonna clean. We're gonna clean. We're gonna move around some stuff. We're gonna fill this shelfie thingy that I bought. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna paint, because I bought concrete paint. I'm gonna see if I can buy, you know, the chalkboard paint as well. I will say right here if I did it or not. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Hello, day 2. So, why do I smell a lot of paint? I don't know. Maybe because I look like this. Let's come paint with me. Today we're gonna start painting the kitchen. I bought way too little paint. I bought this much paint with it, which is not even 1 liter. I forgot that my kitchen is really big, so we're gonna change the color to this. Well, to this color. I don't have enough color, that's the thing. I'm back with dirty hair and dirty clothes. I think I'm on day 3 or 4 in this kitchen. And today I'm gonna do a big stretch. I'm gonna paint as much as possible. Because it's raining outside and it's cozy and I've been living on my couch and I need to do something. So that's what I'm gonna do. Keep on painting. So let's go. That's how you do it, okay? We kind of need to change, so outfit is on. Time to start painting. Okay, I am done painting around everything, so now it's time to move to all of the cabinets and drawers. So I'm gonna do a little setup in my living room. So let's do it. This will be fun. Back again. I think I'm on day 4 or 5. Still haven't washed my hair. Gonna do it today. Doing great progress. It's 10:30. I put up a sign for myself that I have freshly painted, or in Swedish, nymålat. So yeah, let's paint the rest. It's been really hard moving around from the kitchen to the living room because of this. Like, you walk like this. Hold on, I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, so you are cooking food, and then you have your plate, and you don't want to sit right here because it's chaos. Or here. So you take your plate, and you can walk like this. And you have to watch out for my little sign because I always hit my head on it. And then you come here. Yes, and you're supposed to move right there. You can see it. And leave it on. Yeah. It's hard. Look at this. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna see if I can. Something like this. And then something like this. And then I am right here. I'm working and yeah. So hello. So let's move stuff. I don't know where you're gonna sit the best, but probably where my computer is. Good morning, world. I'm just looking inside my kitchen. Look. It's chaotic. And hopefully today will be the day. Am I even in focus? Yeah, it's just my class is super duper dirty. Today will be the day where I finish this. I think I'm on day 5. Yeah. So, let's go. Let's go. Me and my newly painted sign. Okay. How hard can it be? We're gonna put back all of these. It's way too early for me today, I feel like. Oh well, we're gonna fix this.